Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing to be in the kitchen this Christmas morning. Are you happy? Well, I'm happy, you know what I mean? I'm giving God thanks. That's the most important thing. Anyway, remember, Boxing Day is the next day. So, Boxing Day, what are you going to do for Boxing Day? Remember, 50% on the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book, guys. Remember, we are advertising the book so much. You can brought it for someone for the new year. You can brought it for someone if someone want to learn some new recipe, new idea, new tips from Chef Ricardo, you know what I mean? This is the book right here, guys. So thank you so much for all who support me through the 2015. I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year with it coming home into this Christmas day. A lot of people eating a lot of chicken, beef, fish, all sorts of things going on today. But remember, one thing, the day, that's the song man say, Christ was born. So guys, remember, it's not all about eating, marinate, and have a lot of big function, but we all remember that, you know what I mean? God still loved us, you know what I mean? And that's why God make everything that He can bless us abundantly. So love, and this is it right here, Caribbean Cuisine, the cooking book, guys. Wanna say thank you so much. There's a lot of people brought it on Amazon, leave their comments. I'm so happy. You know what I mean? As I said, the book was dedicated to my daughter, as I said before in the first video. Caribbean Cuisine cooking book was dedicated to my daughter, and I want to say every one time someone brought one of my book, it goes straight to my daughter. My daughter is just 5-year-old. She doesn't understand what's going on at the moment, but in the future she will understand what's going on. So guys, thank you so much, and I want to say, remember, this book was dedicated to my lovely daughter. Her name is Ricardo Campbell, and I love her. So every time someone buy one, it goes towards my daughter. So if I sell 1 million copies, as I said before, it goes to my daughter. So God bless you guys. Have a wonderful Christmas and a Happy New Year. Boxing Day sale on the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book. Get your price. The price is your price. Thank you so much and see you next time.